Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I was in my local Harbor Freight, as I usually am, picking up a few different things, and I saw they finally released the actual flyer for the Spring Black Friday sale that's coming up here. You know, I did a leak of this flyer, maybe about a week ago or so, and it looks like nothing has really changed, and that's typically the case from the leak to the first physical flyer until, the ad comes out, online and it becomes a digital ad, then usually they add a couple pages to it. But let's go ahead and kind of get started and show you what's on this ad right here. So we'll start off with the dates. So as usual, ITC members get a little bit of a head start, starting on Monday, April 6th. For everyone else, it's going to be the 10th, and then it goes all the way through April 13th. And then, as usual, I'm definitely going to repeat myself a little bit here, so please stay with me. But, the yellow section that we're going to see throughout the flyer, most of this stuff is going to be sales they have constantly, so nothing really that's too crazy to write home about. There usually are a few exceptions, and I'll kind of go over those as we are going through the flyer itself. And then the last note that I typically make is any item, like this guy right here that's sub 20 bucks, unless it's at least 30% off, usually it's something that I'll skip, because Harbor Freight does do 30% off, at least probably once a month or so on items that are below 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and kind of just get into this so you guys can kind of see what is up here in the yellow. The two I want to kind of note immediately is we got this, this so-called meme tool from Harbor Freight. So this thing is, normally 40 bucks, on sale for $27.99. This $27.99 is usually the lowest price that I've seen it, at least. I haven't really seen it go lower than that. If you guys have, please, put it in the comments down below. So it might be a good time for you guys to pick this guy up. Also, one quick note is it looks like they have changed the manufacturer on this guy for the newer versions versus the old versions. So there's going to be a little bit of a differences, I think specifically mostly with the ratchet itself that comes with it. And then this deal right over here, they do this deal quite a bit, but 50% off for these cutoff wheels. Great little cutoff wheels. I use these things constantly. So let's go down to kind of the star of the show, which is going to be the percent off deals. These are the ones that typically get most people excited, and there are definitely some solid deals, in here. So let's right over here we got the 40% off of all Braun lights. Not a bad one, especially if you're looking for some of their more expensive stuff. 30% off of all of their tie downs, elastic ratcheting and E-track. I've used quite a bit of these guys for the business, especially the elastic and the ratcheting, and I haven't had one fail on me yet, so not a bad deal to kind of pick them up from there. Next up is going to be 40% off of Hardy gloves. Normally when they do the Hardy glove sale, it's 50% off of the disposable ones, but with this one's going to be the non-disposable, so it might be a good time to stock up if you guys are looking for that. 30% off of all cordless tool batteries and starter kits, and we can see here we got Atlas, Hercules, and Bauer. This is a great kind of coupon or sale to combine with maybe the 2-pack that they have of the 5-amp batteries in the Bauer. It ends up being a really good deal, at least in my opinion. And then last up, and I think this guy is going to be the most popular, which is going to be the 35% off of all Doyle, Icon, and Quinn screwdrivers and pliers. I really like, all of those brands, to be honest with you. I think they all can fit a certain, need if you guys are looking for them. Couple quick notes, this screwdriver set that they have, advertised here, great little set, especially at 35% off. Icon pliers, I think are going to go very quickly on this. A good time to stock up on those, especially if you're looking for the specialty ones like the LN style pliers right there. And then as far as Icon screwdrivers, they just released that green version. It's 50 bucks, but with 35% off, drops down to $32.50. I think it's a pretty good deal once we get to that level. Let's go ahead and go to the bottom of this section here. So this I'm going to go through a little bit quicker than the previous one. But over here, as you can see, we have a generator, an auger, we have a welder, a winch, we have some shelving and a sprayer. But the two I want to kind of focus on right here is going to be this guy right here, which is the Pittsburgh floor jack. Great little jack, especially when it's sub 100 bucks. Little workhorse if you guys are looking for that. I think it compares really well to the Daytona personally. And then the Yukon mobile storage cabinet with solid wood top. I bought 3 of these in the last probably 6 months, and these things hold up really, really well with day-to-day use as well. So far so good with those. And on the bottom section here, again, nothing really crazy to write home about. So let's go ahead and go to the inside page. Here we go. So again, let's kind of start off with the top section. No, I don't see much over here, except, if you guys are looking to maybe stock up on these shop towels, 43% off. Again, not a bad deal. Down here, we have a few more jacks, kind of more specialty things. We have the long reach. We have the aluminum, which is nice and light. We have the off-road if you guys have use for that, and then a farm jack, and then we got a jumper right over here. But I just wanted to talk about the US General storage right here. So this one right here, the 34-inch full bank cart, great cart. I picked this thing up a couple weeks ago. It was a little bit cheaper than this, but sub 500 I still think is a pretty good deal. This thing is beast when you get it home or in your shop. Much bigger than I thought it was. Even though I've seen it in person at Harbor Freight, it's a different experience when you actually get it back in your garage or workspace. This one right here, the 30-inch 4-drawer cart, not a bad deal overall. Personally, if it was me, I would wait until the 5 drawers on sale, because usually that goes for about $179, sometimes $189, and I think for an extra 10 or 20 bucks, you're getting much more cart for your money than going with this guy. Although if you're looking for something small and mobile, not a bad one to go with. And then last up here on the storage, we got this 56-inch US General. I've had mine now for probably about a year and a half. Great box. I'm so happy that I bought it. It will definitely go on sale for a little bit cheaper than this, especially when you get 20% off or 25% off. That happens on occasion. But if you guys are looking for storage, I think the 56 is the best value for the money, because they do have the 27, the 42, the 56, and the 72. But I think the 56 just gives you the most bang for your buck. Let's go to the bottom part of this page. Excuse me here real quick. So it looks like we have a couple more winches here and some truck accessories if you guys are looking for that. Looks like we got a mechanic set and a little kind of homeowner's tool set as well. And then right here, I think these deals are probably going to be fairly popular. If you guys are looking for a master ball joint, universal joint press, not a bad one to go with. I hear a lot of good things about this Icon one. I haven't used it personally, but 50 bucks off, not a bad deal. This I have used personally. Now, the one I have of this is there is one that is, I want to say it's 25 pieces, so just a slightly bigger version of this one, which the smaller pieces are all the same. It just includes some larger sizes. Has definitely saved me on a few occasions, and at 50% off or 25 bucks, I don't think you can beat that. So if you guys are looking for extractors, I would definitely take a look at that guy. Down here, again, kind of same old, but a couple things do catch my eye. Heat gun for 10 bucks. I got this guy. Pull it out a couple times a year. For what it needs to do, it does. It gets hot, blows air, 10 bucks, can't really beat it. And then this plastic welding kit, I don't hear a lot of people talking about this guy. Again, at 50% off for sub $10. If you guys, break something plastic, need to fix it, this thing is a nice one to go with. So let's go to the other inside page here. Here we go. So once again, top yellow section. Honestly, again, nothing really over there with the exception of, these guys, which, I avoid at all costs. I bought these, multiple times throughout the years. The tips just basically disintegrate, after your first use. So I would definitely spend a little bit more money and get something a little bit better than that guy. Over here, it looks like we got some Bauer and Predator tools. So we have, a pressure washer. We have a few different generators over here. We have a pressure washer, another pressure washer, I should say. A power station. This thing I've actually kind of been looking at for power outages and stuff like that. If you guys have used this, please leave it in the comments down below. And then we got an engine and a chipper if you guys are looking into that. And then, it's getting springtime. I'm in Southern California where it's getting really hot over here. If you guys are looking to do some outdoor stuff, we got an electric pole saw for 50 bucks and then a chainsaw gas powered one for 150. As usual throughout these sales, they always kind of liquidate the clearance and, as is and things like that. So I always kind of take a browse around my store to see if there's anything interesting. Down here, nothing that I really use, but we got, the wagon, we got the compressors, and then an impact wrench if you guys still use air. And then down here, again, not much to talk about, kind of same old. So let's go ahead and go to the last page. Give me 1 second to kind of get there. Sorry for the noise. And here we go. All right, last page here. So drill bits, again, not a bad deal for what they are. These things are constantly on sale. They're almost always the same price. These fuses right here, I think they're great to have. You know, I bought both different sets. There's the mini blade and the standard. They're good to just kind of just toss in your toolbox, because you know when a fuse goes out in the car, it's nice just to kind of have one and not have to run out to like AutoZone or Pep Boys or something like that. So that definitely something that I would pick up just to have, and they're also much cheaper than going to, you know, AutoZone or O'Reilly or one of those places. I had to go there to pick up, you know, just one type, and it was significantly more expensive than this. Next up, we got a bunch of corded power tools. If you guys are still into that, we got the Bauer section here and Hercules section over here. If you guys want to take a look at it, nothing really of note to me, but it might be something that you guys are looking for. All right, we're hitting the home stretch here, guys. So we have the Bauer wet dry vac right over here. We have the steamer, great little steamer. You know, my wife wanted me to pick this up a little while ago, which we did. And if you guys are looking to clean things without chemicals, great way to do it. Just water in there. And the water reservoir is actually a decent size to where it gets you about 20-30 minutes of steam. So something to consider if you guys, again, want to clean up without using some harsh chemicals. Got a couple safes if you guys are looking for that. A concrete mixer and a compactor, and then over here we have, you know, a welder and a welding helmet. And then last up, the only kind of real thing that I always talk about, the last thing I always talk about is going to be these hammers right here. You know, whenever they're sub $4, I think they are an awesome deal personally. You know, I pick these things up, you know, most of the time they go on sale. Great for the business. I love the rip version of this, but they also have the claw version as well. So that's pretty much it for the flyer. Let's kind of get back to where we started here. So again, you know, April 6th for ITC members, April 10th for everybody else. And again, I think these percentage off deals are going to be the way to go. So tell me, you know, is this something that you guys are going to get excited for? I know there's a few things that, you know, I'm looking at. I might buy another set of those green screwdrivers and maybe a few other things, you know, while I'm at it, maybe some batteries. So tell me what you guys are planning on purchasing from this, you know, down in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.